is definitely starting to snow more. Of course, you got the geese that are still out. And the ducks, of course. And you got the geese inside the water, which I'll have to get more water out here for them. But most of your chickens and so forth are inside the coops. The middle one has the door open. That one has the door completely open. And then we got the big one over here that has almost all the birds in there. And then we have our one breast chicken that was having some issues with the other chickens. Nope, there he is. He sustained some damage, but he is doing so much better now. Hi. Don't need you going out there. But he's doing much better. He's a rooster. He's about 10 weeks old. But he's doing good. He has plenty of food and water. Got the trampoline that they could go under if they want to. The netting I keep up because it kind of goes in the wind and it'll keep some of the flying animals away because something is moving. But turkey. Hey, turkey. Let's see. Oh, still water. That's good. Still water. And then you got the bunnies that are probably loving the weather because they have fur coats on. Yeah, they don't care. Look at them. They're like, we're enjoying this. And you got babies huddled up in the corner over there because that's just where they stay no matter when we're in the 40s or 50s. That's where they've been staying. But the rabbits... Let's go take a walk over to the rest of the breast chickens. Yeah, accumulation we're supposed to get up to, oh, they're saying anywhere from 12 to 18 inches. This is the first wave of the storm. Because it is, oh, what time is it? 10:44 a.m., obviously. You got some breast chickens under here, underneath the deck, so they have some area they could go into if they want to, which is completely dry for those guys. And then you got these guys. Some of them are going to be in here. They got waters. They got food. And then through that door straight ahead is a wood area that's completely closed. Got ventilation, but completely closed. And probably the remaining, oh, I don't know what's in here, 20? Probably another 20 to 30 are inside that wood area, keeping themselves warm or whatever. I mean, I check their feathers and making sure that they're good. But yeah, it's starting to come down now. Not too much accumulation so far, as you can see. Then you got the garden that's starting with all the beds, and right now there's garlic in there. All those beds have garlic.